Hi! As a child I played this game and it impressed me so much that I wanted to make a small remote-controlled submarine ever since. Obviously, back then I had no skills, no money and no resources to pull anything of the sort off. And at some point I also learned that radio waves don't propagate very well in the water, especially high-frequency ones that we use for FPV applications. Last summer I went kayaking into a forest and this very shallow and very clear water reminded me of my unfulfilled dream, and I thought, okay, I'm a grown-up now, I earn my own money, I like to build stuff, so maybe I can still pull this off. So I started Googling and I quickly found that some people already did similar projects, and I decided that I also want to build my own prototype. So we are not building a submarine from the game, but rather a crude prototype for me to learn stuff and gain some experience. So how do you build one? Well, one popular approach is based on a sealed cylinder. So you take a tube, put an end cap on either side, make this watertight. I mean, it's easy, right? Everyone knows how to make watertight stuff, especially when you don't want this to become permanently solid, right? Transparent acrylic tubes are really good for this because you can actually see what's going on inside, and besides being cool, you actually could notice when it starts leaking, hopefully in time. Then you put all your components that are supposed to stay dry inside this tube, and probably you also let some communications through one or maybe both of these caps depending on your design. And then you build a body around it, and this could be anything from a scale copy of an existing submarine to maybe something completely fictional. I'm building this occasionally for a few months now, and I learned how to seal this properly, how the design should look like, well, almost, and encountered some dead ends and made a lot of mistakes, and I really would like to show all of this to you in the next videos. So if you're interested, subscribing is always an option. And yes, I'm going to cover this piece from the thumbnail very soon in a future video, so stay tuned and see you next time.